In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting research, or gauging opinions, a Likert scale can be incredibly useful for capturing nuanced responses. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to create one efficiently. First, you'll want to access Microsoft 365 online. If you haven't used it before, you can find it through a simple web search or by visiting the official Microsoft website. This online suite is free and provides all the tools you need to get started. Once you've reached the site, the next step is to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, go ahead and use your credentials. If not, you might need to create a new one. This sign-in will be your gateway to using Microsoft Forms. After successfully logging in, navigate to Microsoft Forms. This is where the actual creation of the Likert scale will take place. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool, perfect for creating surveys and questionnaires of all sorts. It's user-friendly and offers numerous customization options to suit your needs. Once inside Microsoft Forms, you'll want to decide which form you're going to use. You can select an existing one or start a new form depending on your preference. This flexibility allows you to integrate the Likert scale seamlessly into a broader survey or focus solely on it. With your form selected, look for the option to add a new question. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on that, you'll see various question types to choose from. Among these options, find and click on Likert. This choice will automatically generate a Likert scale question in your form. Now, you can customize the scale according to your specific requirements. A Likert scale typically includes a statement or question followed by a series of options ranging from one extreme to another, such as strongly disagree to strongly agree. You can adjust these labels to fit the context of your survey more accurately. Moreover, you can modify the number of points on your scale and specify the increments, depending on the level of detail you need. Incorporating a Likert scale in your Google form can significantly enhance the quality of data you collect. The structured response format allows for easier analysis and comparison of opinions. Whether you're evaluating a product, researching social attitudes, or seeking feedback on a service, a Likert scale can provide clarity and depth to the responses you gather. By understanding and utilizing this tool, you're setting yourself up for more effective data collection and analysis. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to create your Likert scale in Google Forms. Thanks for watching and happy form building!